Ribbon blackout.
Oh hey, didn't see you there. Welcome back to Shade Tree Hot Rods. Today we're going to be working on Christian's daily hot rod. So this is Betsy, a what year? 1995 Dodge Ram 1500. Now Betsy has a problem where you go down the road and you can do this number and she don't turn that much. That's because this thing right here, the Pitman arm, is messed up. So we're going to be changing this out. This is a Pitman arm. I'm just going to go right here, just like this. It's just this big old nut, this castle nut with a cotter pin. Should be simple. Probably won't be for us, but we're going to find out.
Here's our backup plan.
This 24-inch adjustable wrench. You know, nothing big. Nothing major.
Ye old Pittsburgh.
Ye old. Oh, interesting. Alright, hang on. I gotta put my foot on the wheel.
No, I got it. It locked, the steering wheel locked.
I did it. Oh, that's scarily easy.
No, it wasn't. I had to put some ass in.
Well, I guess you do have 24 inches of leverage, so.
I even brought the pinion arm puller.
I saw that, yeah, look at this. Guys, we're getting official over here. Hey, is it pre-greased?
Probably not.
It has, yeah, I don't have a greaser.
We got to get, PB Blaster. Oh, no,
I got WD-40.
you're talking about the arm.
Yeah, it's got, because here's the grease support right here.
It'll be okay for a day or two. I'll go buy some.
Okay. You say so, Chief.
And I'm getting scared driving around with this wore out motherfucker on it.
And now that we fixed the Yaris, it's great driving. I'm a lot calmer when I drive now.
I bet.
Every time I take a turn a little too fast, I'm not like, oh, is this it? Am I dead?
You don't have to crank the radio up.
You're doing great, Christian. You're doing great.
Oh, you mean I gotta work on everybody's shit in my car?
Yeah. I mean, if you need me, I'm here, but
it's cool.
You're doing great.
I watched a TikTok earlier, and the dude was like, yeah, my dad was the one that always fixed shit, that grew up around a bunch of other people that knew how to fix shit, and now I'm the person that has to fix every fucking thing.
Wait, did you only buy one Pitman on?
Yeah, that's an idler on.
Well, I mean,
it's a little bit loose too, but it's not.
Are you gonna have to take it off so you can take this,
No.
What size do you think it is?
The Craftsman kit. And anybody from Craftsman's watching, take y'all's fucking ratchets, because I'm busting the guts out of these things with my bare hands. No cheater pop.
Hey man, just because you're stronger than true Americans bought steel.
You mean Chinesium?
American bought steel. We did buy it, we just didn't make it.
At least buy stuff from Japan, even though y'all nuked the shit out of them.
That was a long time ago. They forgot.
There we go.
Look, Mom, I did my part. Didn't even open it for him. My gosh, you should fire me.
What? If Cleater can deal with interns...
Did you just call me a fucking intern?
No.
Wow.
Yeah. I need prop bars. Here.
I mean, I've got prop bars. You want me to hit it again?
Okay, not my brother's fucking idea.
Warning, don't try this at home. You good?
On today's episode of Jackass.
How's that floating rib feeling?
I think I recracked my fucking sternum.
Good old voltage will cheer you up.
got that old blue Bartle skeet. I think we're going to use that pry bar.
You want to swap out?
No, I'm good. It's just it scared me worse than it hurt, but it did fucking hurt.
Nut shot. So real fast, before you do that, you want to explain how this Pitman puller works?
Alright, try. You want to show that in the camera?
So, what happens is this is grabbing the, what is that, what bar is that?
Well, that is the drag link.
Alright, so this hook right here, right, this silver part is grabbing the drag link. Now that's the bar that connects the tie rod on either side, right?
Yes.
So the hooks are on top of that, and that stud right here that he's tightening, see, he's got a socket on this bit right here. This is threaded. What he's going to do is tighten it up. And as he tightens, that rod is going to push up on the threaded bit for the Pitman arm, and the hooks are at the same time going to be pulling down on the drag link. So it's going to basically just push the threads out. So we're just trying to pull the bar down so we can get the Pitman arm out. Hit it. That's a good sound. She's loose.
Yeah.
Explosive.
Like a fucking shotgun going off.
Now we're gonna do the same thing for the other end of the Pitman arm, but on the, I guess that's the gearbox, the steering box.
Yeah.
So maybe it won't go boom this time. Or maybe it will.
4 minutes breaker bar.
Yep. Got it. With leverage, you can move the world.
Sorry about the GoPro dying, guys.
We're new. This is our first go round.
We literally just bought this thing and...
Oh yeah, speaking of, we should probably tell him. While he's working. We just got a GoPro Hero 8. Because we were recording off of my iPhone 13. But it was really hard getting those videos to my PC. So we got this instead. But it gives us a lot more usage availability. And I'm not as scared of breaking this due to the cases that it has on it. So, yeah.
What should we name this crusher, HP?
You know? I don't know. Marvin?
Huh?
Marvin?
No.
Phil. Phil's our nut buster.
Agreed. But
You want to tap me in for a little bit? I'm not afraid to get dirty.
I'm not.
You're making the viewers think I'm a pudding. I mean, I am, but I don't want them to think it.
That wasn't,
You know what I'm really curious about?
Hmm.
Whenever we get a truck to go down the strip, who's going to pull a faster time?
What, Duke or Blue?
Well, no. Like between me, you, and me. Because both of us are going to drive whatever vehicle's on, you know?
Oh, yeah.
I just wonder who's going to be able to, like, consistently pull a faster time. Or if one of us just has a lock-in on a particular vehicle, you know?
Yeah, we're each going to have a vehicle that we're more comfortable driving.
Oh, absolutely.
Where's that cotter pin?
I got you. Don't even worry about it. Okay, so do you go through the behind, like, over the bolt like that? And then do you just bend the other one up?
Yeah.
I've heard...
Whichever way. I mean, you can do them both the same way.
Well, I've heard that, and I've also heard wrap it around, like, the bolt itself, you know what I'm saying? Like
yeah,
the castle nut.
it depends. I'm going to do this one where they're both folded over backwards.
Okay.
Just because there's no good way. There's not enough for the other ear to really grab.
Alright. You know, we just did the Pitman arm on Betsy. How's she doing?
Great.
Feeling good? It's been a few weeks, so you've had time to break it in.
Yeah, it needs an idler arm, but
Yeah,
she's driving a million times better than she did.
Hey, as long as it works. Now, what would be the best way to test out the new Pitman arm?
Well, I guess we did a thing when we traded a 4-wheeler that I've had for a month or so, a couple months. Yeah.
What is this?
Rattlesnake's got her a new motor, and we've got us a track car.
What year is this monster?
This one is an 84. She's a year newer than old Rattlesnake, and she's even got an original badge on her. Fender. The other side ain't got that.
Now, this actually does have pretty much the exact same engine that's in old Rattlesnake now. This is the 12A's, the carbureted rotary. The problem they were having was it was getting too much fuel, basically. They got the aftermarket regulator, but he already said that he bought one for fuel injected, not carbureted. So it don't go down low enough. That's probably the problem.
Well, now we got a fuel injected Holler or Edelbrock fuel pump, and I have a carbureted one sitting at the house on the shelf.
There you go. So, boom. So, all this thing really needs is a battery. Connect the radiator, because, well, I don't have one.
No, she's inside the car.
No, but it's not. I said connect it, because it's not.
In it, but you want to bring her over here?
Let me grab the, well, you got a flashlight right there.
He did tell me we got another steering wheel
Freshly
for 83.
painted. 83. That is a heavy steering wheel. Good God. All right. Got our radiator with our electric fan right there. Custom JDM Folgers can.
Hell yeah.
Gotta love it.
No, this one's USDM, so.
Yeah, but that one's JDM.
Yeah,
You see how it's red and black, not black and red?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's that Gourmet Supreme.
Yeah, see, that's not American. We're just gourmet here.
I know it's Puff. It's the Supreme Puff.
The Supreme Puff?
Supreme Puff.
Ladies and gentlemen, shall we introduce you to Supreme Puff? Now, what? You've already got the engine for this, right?
Yeah.
What are we thinking? Or what are we gonna do?
LT1 vat motor.
From what year?
I don't know, 95, 96.
All right. What's the CID on that? Do you know?
350.
It's 350? Okay, I didn't know. But yeah, I mean, is it a he or she? This one's a she, right?
This one's a he.
This is a he too?
Supreme Puff.
Supreme Puff ain't pretty. All right, he's...
They're mostly girls, or, yeah, they're mostly boys, but...
Who?
Old Betsy over there.
Blue's a girl. Because she's a bad bitch.
I'm talking about out of my view.
So, this is Supreme Puff. This is gonna be Christian's hot rod. He's gonna put an LT1 in it. You gonna go 6-speed or you gonna go automatic?
Probably automatic.
Automatic, okay. With the original Mazda key right there, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, classy. How you feeling about this?
Happy.
Happy.
We got the pretty one, which we just decided Rattlesnake is a pure split custody channel car.
Rattlesnake's gonna get the engine out of this one because this one supposedly ran. And if we can just get that fuel issue situated and it runs, we're doing a transplant. But first we actually got to get Rattlesnake.
Yeah.
Bring him somewhere. Rattlesnake's still sitting where Blue was back in the day.
Yeah, that next week in the previous video turned into
Yeah, that
now.
video that was 2 years ago about, oh, we're coming back. Yeah, I haven't gone back yet. I'm a bad parent. But to be fair, Blue also sat on the trailer for like a year and a half. Blue sat on the trailer till we came here.
Yeah.
So,
Well, no, he got pulled off at the house.
long enough to pull
and
the
then
engine
put
out.
back on the trailer.
Yeah, so. But you're going to see plenty of Supreme Puff in the coming time. Follow up, we've got a lot of project cars. My wife is pissed off about all these. So that just means I'm doing something right, isn't that right? So please like, comment, subscribe. Follow us to just keep a tab on all the stupid stuff that we're doing. Take care.